I've got the pink thread here, and it's six strands. You're not actually going to sew with the 6 strands, so you can use the full amount. You're going to wrap it around your fingers, or a piece of card or a ruler or something. About 15 to 20 times. Gently pull it off, snip it, and pinch it in the middle a bit like a bow, and we just need to secure that. So I've just got some green, I want to kind of secure it in the middle. Bit tricky because I'm trying to hold it down and sew it at the same time. But just some over stitches. Once the first one is done, you can mess with it, centre it up. I would do a couple. Just to hold it in place. Then we're going to push it up. This is going to make a bit like a thistle flower. So what we're going to do is we're going to get some more green and sew a little sort of cup shape along the bottom. I'm going to start with what I've got here, but I think I will need some more. So go about a third up, pinch this together at the top now. You do want it quite tight. There we go. I think that's okay. And again, it's just over stitching, going over your thread and back down again. So nothing too complicated. But it is fiddly. You do need 2 hands. You need to slightly start working your way down. So I am using 2 strands, but more strands probably cover the bottom bit quicker. Again, this might be really nice done in thicker wool type thread. But it is really simple, and then you could just add, you could put some leaves at the bottom like a thistle, or just a straight stalk to embellish it a bit. But on its own it does just look, well, it will do when we're finished, like a flower head. So now comes the fun part of cutting all the threads. And kind of arranging it more like a flower. So you could leave it like this. It looks like a little bit of a scruffy flower. What we're going to do is we're going to take pretty much the shortest length and even off all the ones that are too long.